Hello and welcome back to our channel. The topic of our today's video is social anxiety and public speaking. Why it feels terrifying and how to take control. Have you ever felt your heart racing, your hands shaking, your mind going completely blank just because you had to speak in front of people? You are not alone. Public speaking is one of the most common fears in the world, especially for people with social anxiety. And today we are going to break down why public speaking feels so terrifying, what is actually happening inside your brain, and how you can slowly take control of it. If public speaking makes you feel exposed, judged, or frozen, this video is for you. What is social anxiety? Social anxiety is not just being shy or nervous sometimes. It is a deep fear of being judged, embarrassed, rejected, or seen as inadequate in social situations. People with social anxiety often fear saying the wrong thing, looking stupid, being laughed at, being noticed too much, losing control in front of others, and public speaking combines all of these fears into one moment. You are standing there, everyone is looking at you, and your brain screams, "This is dangerous." Why public speaking triggers social anxiety so strongly? Public speaking is the perfect storm for social anxiety. Here is why. You become the center of attention. For someone with social anxiety, attention feels unsafe. Your brain interprets attention as threat. It thinks, if they are watching me, they are judging me. Fear of negative evaluation. You are not just afraid of speaking, you are afraid of what people will think. They will notice my voice shaking, they will see I am nervous, they will think I am incompetent. This fear creates intense pressure to be perfect. Loss of control. Social anxiety thrives on control. Public speaking removes that control. You cannot control people's reactions, control your physical symptoms, control every thought. That loss of control makes your anxiety spike. What is happening inside your body? When you are about to speak publicly, your brain activates the fight or flight response. Even though you are not in a real danger, your nervous system believes you are. That's why you experience racing heart, dry mouth, shaking hands, sweating, shortness of breath, mental fog, or blank mind. This is not weakness, this is biology. Your body is preparing to survive a threat that does not actually exist. The biggest myth about confident speakers. Here is a powerful truth. Confident speakers are not fearless, they feel nervous too. The difference is they don't fight the anxiety, they don't they don't judge themselves for it. They don't interpret anxiety as danger. Social anxiety says, if I feel anxious, something is wrong. Confidence says, I feel anxious and I can still speak. The real problem is not the speech. The real problem is not your presentation, it's how you are relating to your anxiety. People with social anxiety often monitor themselves constantly, analyze every word, focus on their symptoms, try to hide nervousness. This self focus makes anxiety worse, not better. The more you watch yourself, the more anxious you become. Why avoidance makes it worse. Avoiding public speaking feels like relief, but that relief is temporary. Avoidance teaches your brain, yes, this is really dangerous. So the next time the fears become stronger. Every avoided presentation reinforces the anxiety, shrinks your comfort zone, builds more fear. Avoidance is understandable, but it's the fuel that keeps social anxiety alive. How to start taking control step by step. You don't overcome public speaking anxiety by forcing confidence. You do it by changing your relationship with fear. Step 1. Allow the anxiety. Stop trying to eliminate anxiety. Instead, say, I can speak while anxious. Anxiety loses power when you stop resisting it. Step 2. Shift attention outward. Instead of focusing on your heart, your voice, your thoughts, focus on your message, one friendly face, the value you are giving. Anxiety grows with self-focus and it shrinks with external focus. Step 3. Accept imperfection. You don't need to be flawless. People connect more with authenticity, honesty, imperfect speakers. Perfection is not confidence. Presence is confidence. Step 4. Practice gradual exposure. Start small. Speak up in meetings. Share opinions with friends. Record yourself speaking. Practice in low pressure settings. Confidence is built through repeated safe experiences, not motivation. What to do during a panic moment? If anxiety spikes while speaking, slow your breathing, ground your feet on the floor, pause, silence is okay. Remind yourself, this will pass. People don't notice anxiety as much as you think, and even if they do, nothing bad happens. Redefining success. Success is not feeling calm, getting applause, being perfect, but success is speaking despite fear, staying present, not running away. Every time you speak while anxious, you are rewiring your brain. And in last, a message for you. If public speaking terrifies you, it doesn't mean you are weak. It means you care, you are self aware, your nervous system is sensitive, and sensitivity can become strength. You don't need to become fearless, you just need to become braver than yesterday. And if this video helped you to understand your anxiety better, like and subscribe for more psychology based content.